Yaos. Today I will be discussing to you the chapter 4, the first law of thermodynamics. Here we have a given problem of 5,443 joules of heat is added to a system and 1,700 joules of work is done by the system. What is the change in internal energy of the system? So first we have to determine what are the given. Here we have the Q, which is our heat, which is 5,443 joules, and our work is 1,700 joules. And what we are looking for is the change in internal energy. So here are the things to keep in mind before solving. When Q is positive, if the heat is added to the system, then W is positive if work is done by the system. Then Q is negative if heat leaves to the system, and W is negative if work is done on the system. So we have to determine if our given is positive or negative. So our heat is, the statement is given as heat is added to a system. Therefore, our Q is positive. And let's check our work, whereas our work is done by the system. So if the work is done by the system, our W is positive here. So if we are to multiply negative and positive, we will be given an answer of negative. So let's proceed to solving our problem. We have the change in internal energy is equal to 5,443 joules minus 1,700 joules. Where we have to calculate, and we will be given the answer of 3,743 joules. So to sum it all up, first, know what are the given, and second thing is that remember this note so that you may answer your question properly and correctly. So Q is positive if the heat is added to the system. Then work is positive if it is done by the system. Then Q is negative if heat leaves the system, and W is negative if work is done on the system.